I'm enjoying a lot because this is a group of friends, and that's the most important in all this competition, and especially this one.
Everything around this competition is highlight for me. The good company, diving, food, a lot of fun with old friends, friendly atmosphere, everything around this competition.
In Bergasca sono venuto perché Fritz è un mio amico, mi ha chiesto di venire e ho fatto di tutto per poterci essere.
It's been a fantastic privilege to come here to Bergasca and to photograph in these amazing waters. It's quite a challenging place for photography. The water's cold, the water is moving a lot, as you can see, and still photography is often about staying still. But if you can survive and thrive in those conditions, then the rewards are really rich. There's scenery here like nowhere else underwater, and any place that offers something fresh for an underwater photographer is always going to be a favorite.
Diving. Diving was very good. It surprised me how beautiful it is on the water. The stones and the lines and everything. It's quite good.
My highlight of this competition will be to survive all the dives in this hot water.
I think the most challenging thing about taking pictures here in this very nice river is actually getting in and out. Because once you're in, it's just the most beautiful water. The scenery underwater is very beautiful. So it's actually just getting comfortable, getting in and out, and carrying all the equipment down to the water.
We are a not so big family photographers underwater, and we see us every time as each other competition, and we are friendly together, and it's like we meet friends again every time, and there's a good passion for our sport.
We have so many different landscapes that we are not used to, and to work with these beautiful stones and their beautiful textures, it's really great.
There's such a pool of talent here that I can spend a couple days just watching these people work. This is a little different type of photography from what I've used to. And one of the nice things about photography is there's always something new to learn. You never know anything, you never know everything.
Only what I don't like here in this competition, it's one guy, Jos, you know, this guy from Netherlands. I don't love this guy. This guy, it's so... Okay, it's coming.
I never come again. My big friend. Huh?
This guy. You see in my face, I don't love this guy.